today I'm going to give you some recommendations to enjoy this amazing, beautiful eco park lake. Let's go! So Natasha Luna, the Argentinian actress in Hollywood, and I'm going to show you the best part of the city of Los Angeles. Today we are going to start with this amazing, beautiful eco park that I love so much, so let's go. I moved here to LA like a year ago, and I arrived here like so casually because I didn't know like any of the other foods of LA. Everything was the same for me, and I'm so thankful because I really love it. It's like super walkable. That is really an exception here in LA because everywhere you have to go by car, but here you can walk and it's amazing. I really love that. It's super well located. You are 10 minutes from downtown, 10 minutes from Hollywood. Yes, it's the east side, so you're a little far from the ocean, but really I don't care. I love it. You have a lot of bars, restaurants, a lot of cultural stuff to do. We have like the Ecoplex for music, we have libraries, we have stores, we have everything. So today I'm going to start with this eco park lake that I love it. So let's go. There are many activities that you can do here in the eco park lake. I think that the main one is renting a wheel swan boat, and you can enjoy the lake in the lake. If you can do it like with your family, with your couple, alone, that's also a good idea. It costs $11 per adult, $6 per children, and they are open every day of the year since 9 in the morning up to 1 hour before sunset. Now they are going up to 7 in the week and up to 8 in the weekend. And that is the time where I recommend to do this amazing swam ride on the lake because you catch a little bit of the day, the sunset, and you have the view of the downtown at night with all the lights, and also the swams has lights, so it's really, really, really pretty. Other thing that you are going to see a lot here in the park is people walking with their dog, also running with their dog, or just running alone. If you came here to do something of this, I recommend using sun protection, sun hat, sun water, and a stretch after doing any activity. I'm not actually from that club like that much. I enjoy more like reading, enjoying the views, also some meditation. I think that the sound of the water is really for relaxation. And also, of course, enjoying the parks and chilling with your friends. Me, as I'm an Argentinian girl, I always bring my mate and I share with me, of course, with my friends and with another curious people that they're always asking, what is that? What is that? Well, it's a mate, and that's the Argentinian drink, like the main Argentinian drink. On the weekends, this park gets crowded. A lot of people come here to enjoy the park. There's a lot of food trucks, there's a lot of Mexican food, also some people sending clothes, some holistic stuff, maybe you can get some massage, and of course, as I already told you, just coming with your friends and enjoy everything here. And also, if you have children, you have a playground where they can play a lot. Once in a year in Eco Park we have the Lotus Festival. In this festival we celebrate one of the Asian Pacific cultures, and this year we are going to celebrate Cambodia. This happens one weekend on July. This year it's going to be the 11th and 12th, and this gets so beautiful. That's the moment where the lotus flower is bloom, so everything is so beautiful. And we have like some shows, some cultural stuff to buy, some music. I highly recommend, if you're around here on those dates, come here to have a look and enjoy this specific attraction for this amazing place. Other thing that I enjoy doing in this park is working. Yes, work. A lot of people here in LA works from their home, to like home office. Yeah, me too. So I like to bring my computer. There's a special place where you have tables, you have shadow, you have of course Wi-Fi, and you can get a coffee, a tea, some food. I recommend the quinoa bowl. It's vegan and it's so good. And you can work next to the lake with the sound of water, with the amazing view. That's a really, really good idea to come here and to work and to get creative and super productive here in the Eco Park Lake. At the front of the park there is a statue of the Queen of Los Angeles. Every time that I came here, I like to spend some moment to be thankful for being here in this city, for all the trip that I have done, for all the path that I have to do, for being here and enjoying this insane beautiful place. And also, of course, why not making a wish? But it's making a wish without throwing any coin to the lake. Please don't do that. Save your money and let's take care of the animals that are here, that are a lot of animals. Working, eating, enjoying with friends, running, walking your dog, making some yoga, some meditation. You can do a bunch of activities here in the Eco Park Lake, so I recommend here to come. I hope you had enjoyed my video. Leave me in your comments which another parts of LA you would like me to show you. And of course, subscribe to my channel to not to miss anything. Give me your like and see you next time. Bye!